phone silent.
Hello everyone.
Wish you all a happy Pongal. And today's live will be super duper. So we'll just show you around the designs a little bit, and then we will just explain and show you everything. Good evening, everybody. I am Praveen Kumar from Sri Balaji Jewellers, and with me my son Kunj.
Hello everyone.
Is back to you for one more live session. And first, me andarki wishing a very happy Ugadi Pongal. And this Pongal is celebrated for harvesting. So Sukh Samruddhi andar intlo ravala, and by celebrating the new crop, basically a lot of blessings that come through. So we wish you all a very, very happy Pongal and a special session today, Andy. Super class collection. I am telling you, you will love the designs what we have made, and we have ample of stocks. Kani మీరు వెంటనే మాకు పింక్ చేసుకొని you take up the stocks. Let me just ask Kunj about today's collection.
So today we have the latest ultralight Nakshi jewelry. So we have these Pachi work which is taken into a lighter version. So everything is handcrafted and it is all 22 karat 916 hallmark. So do have a look at the collection. If you like something, please message us. Please book yours and take it for sure. Have a good day.
Right, so Kunj will show around, and before starting I'll tell you I wanted to be an engineer, కానీ మా తాత ఏంటంటే లేదు నువ్వు ఇదే బిజినెస్ చేయాలని చెప్పినారు. I asked the reason and he said ఈ బిజినెస్ లో the best part is ladies come here for a special occasion. పెళ్లి ఉంటే మీ దగ్గర వస్తారు, ఓనీ ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది మీ దగ్గర వస్తారు, లేదంటే పిల్లలు పుట్టినప్పుడు మీ దగ్గర వస్తారు. సో హ్యాపీ మూమెంట్స్ లో హ్యాపీ ఒకేషన్స్ లో ఒక జ్యువెలర్ ఒక పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఒకేషన్ ఉంటారండి. సో దట్ ఈస్ వన్ వెరీ సాలిడ్ పాయింట్. సో వీ ఆర్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ స్పెషల్ ఒకేషన్స్. దట్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ గ్రేట్. దట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ వెల్త్ ఫర్ అస్. సో హ్యావ్ నైస్ వ్యూ అబౌట్ ద కలెక్షన్స్ అండ్ స్టార్ట్ షాపింగ్. Kunj will show around.
So first we have this Lakshmi Bottumala with the peacocks on the top of bottus. So this we have done very, very light. So I'll just tell you the weights, so that you can just rush through with that. So this is coming to around 80 grams. So 80 grams will look aithe very heavy, and Vardhanam kuda use cheyochu. Vardhanam haram.
సో ఇట్స్ మల్టీపర్పస్ అండి. మీరు వడ్డానం వాడొచ్చు, ఇంకా నెక్లెస్ కూడా వాడొచ్చు.
And this is a Bottumala. The evergreen Bottumala is around 77 grams. And next is the peacock haram with the Lakshmi Devi. This is coming to around 70, around 75, around 60. Sorry, let me tell you. This is around 68 grams. So 68 grams lo long haram anta andam toti chudandi andi. Next we have the Magari Mal haram around 65 grams.
సో ఆల్ దీస్ బేసికలీ ఆర్ బిట్వీన్ 65 to 80 grams అండి. లుక్ చూస్తే మీకు 120 గ్రాములో ఉంది, కానీ ద వర్క్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ లైట్.
And then we have this mango mala which is detachable like a Vardhanam haram pendant. So multi-purpose options undi andi meeku, and 57 grams chesinaru idi. Next we have is the Magari haram again around 65 grams. Next is this Vardhanam kam haram again fully detachable around 58 grams. This is our masterpiece, Andy. Fully handmade, full Nakshi work with the beautiful mangoes along with the Lakshmi Devi. వడ్డానం హారం వెరీ వెరీ గ్రాండ్ చూస్తే కూడా ఏదైనా పెళ్లి ఒకేషన్ ఉంటే చాలా బాగుంటుంది. సో అరౌండ్ 104 grams we have done this. Next is on the lighter version of the long harals what we did. So this is around 40 grams. Around 28 grams, 27-28 grams.
You have awesome collection in lightweight. Loved your collection. Thank you, Lata Garu. Thank you so much.
And then these are also in the lightweight, lighter versions of the long haralu. And then this is a very very beautiful one again. The Nakshi mango haram.
Haram vadochu. Then we have one more which is the Radha Krishna one. So these are basically we have a very nice basic mix of the product range. So what you are seeing.
Then we'll move to the necklaces. What pattern is this? Can you tell me?
I think you know better nowadays than me. So you should tell everybody what is this pattern.
So this is a kanti pattern. So very very trending ఇప్పుడు లక్ష్మీ దేవిలో.
సో కంటి 30 గ్రామ్ దాదాపు అండి, సూపర్ డూపర్ ఉన్నాయి అన్ని, 25 to 30 grams. సో గ్రాండ్ కంటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. ప్లీజ్ షో చోకర్స్ ఇన్ లైట్ వెయిట్. ఎస్, వీఆర్ షోయింగ్ ఆల్ దట్ వన్ బై వన్. సో టుడే ఈస్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ సెషన్ వేర్ వీ హ్యావ్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ అండి.
Around 30 grams.
సో దిస్ ఇస్ నక్షి అరౌండ్ 30.
Then these necklaces are first time we have done this around 15 grams అండి. 15-16 grams లో నెక్లెస్ మీరు చూస్తే. రామ్ పరివార్ మోడల్.
సో ఇప్పుడు డిజైన్స్ మాత్రం అయితే ఫుల్ ఉన్నాయండి. కానీ ఏంటంటే ఒక రిక్వెస్ట్, ప్లీజ్ మేక్ వీడియో ఆన్ లైట్ వెయిట్ వడ్డానం. లక్ష్మి గారు అడుగుతున్నారు. సరే అండి, తప్పకుండా వీ విల్ డూ ఇట్ నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఫర్ ష్యూర్. సో కంటీస్, నెక్లెసెస్, లాంగ్ హారాల్ ఇన్ 30 grams, 35 grams. ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ న్యూ అరైవల్స్ అండి.
These necklaces also around 30-35 grams. The Nakshi ones. And then what concept is this what we have got?
This basically can be worn as a choker, chetapatti necklace.
Very beautiful. So around మీరు చూస్తే అండి ఇది 23-24 grams లో చేస్తున్నారు. వెరీ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ నక్షి వర్క్ తోటి. దీంట్లో కూడా వీ హ్యావ్ అరౌండ్ 3 pieces. అరౌండ్ రామ్ పరివార్లో ఒకటి ఉంది, ఒకటైతే లక్ష్మీదేవిలో ఉంది, ఇంకోటి రామ్ పరివార్లో ఉంది.
Even this is something new, right? It looks very grand. One more necklace. Yeah, can you just...
So this is the Pachi inspired concept, right?
Yes, this is from the Pachi design. So బాగా హెవీ వెయిట్ ఉందండి పచ్చిలో, దానికి 30 గ్రాములు తెచ్చినాము. సో గుంజి 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 యాజ్ పీపుల్ కాల్ కీటో డయట్, శ్రీ బాలాజీ జ్యువెలర్స్. డూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇన్ పంచ్లడా ఆర్ సత్లడా? ఎస్ లతా గారు, వీ హ్యావ్. కైండ్లీ వాట్సాప్ us.
So next let's go on to the chokers like everyone wanted the...
Yeah, chokers.
Yeah, so these are the chokers అండి.
Can you take it a little slow on the chokers? Always awesome and unique. Thank you Lakshmi garu for your lovely comments.
So బాజుబన్ చోకర్స్ 2-in-1 చోకర్స్ అయితే స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ 10 grams అండి దీంట్లో.
So again all these are new arrivals. They are all like 11, 12, 13 grams andi. So very very beautiful. Can you take it a little slow so that people can click the pictures and send us? That makes our job easier. Yeah, just hold on over there. ఏదైనా నచ్చితే పిక్చర్ గుంజండి and you can please send us and వెంటనే buy it. So all these are very very beautiful. Can you show lightweight వడ్డానం collection? శ్వేత గారు ఇప్పుడు చేతిలో రెడీ లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ రౌండ్ లో we will do the వడ్డానం collection.
Little heavier side of the బాజుబన్ chokers around 15-16 grams. So దీంట్లో we have some reversible ones, is it?
Yes, they are called the flip ones. These are all 22 karat vanilla garu. Everything is hallmark 22 karat.
So if the flip bajubans are too much into trend.
So rendu వైపు వాడొచ్చు మీరు ఇది. ఏంటంటే లేడీస్ నీడ్ a lot of options in
We
life.
have that in Ram Parivar and
So
Lakshmi
the
Devi.
more the options, I'm sure all of you will be much more happier. So the flip chokers are fantastic.
So Baju buns, we have around 15 Baju buns andi. So ఏదైనా ఉంటే తప్పకుండా చెప్పండి.
And people were asking a lot about Vaddanams, lightweight. So this is one thing which is basically fixed on the Vaddanam. సో ఇది ఏంటంటే వడ్డానంలో ఫిక్స్ చేస్తామండి. ఒక 100 గ్రాముల వడ్డానం వచ్చేస్తుంది. దాని మీద ఇది వచ్చి 130 గ్రామ్స్లో వీ కెన్ డూ ఇట్. అండ్ ద బెస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిటాచబుల్ అండ్ ద స్క్రూస్ గో డౌన్ అండ్ యూ యూజ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ అ చోకర్ అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ యూ యూజ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ అ చేతుపట్టి. So very beautiful make, you can
So
see.
how many grams is this coming to? Around
This
40 grams?
No. This is 33 net.
Okay.
After removing all the stone weight. Very grand for the Vaddanam andi. So people who are asking Vaddanam, lightweight, this is a very good concept.
And next we do have any full chokers, is it?
We do have full chokers, but first of all, Vaddanam, you all can order. The belt we are doing at a very competitive number, around 8% wastage and 2,000 rupees total making for the Vaddanam. The belt point and the front portion is priced differently. So now we have some chokers. Chokers kuda andaru baga like chesinar actual ga. So people were very happy with the chokers. These are like 30 grams andi. So super class.
So starting from around 25 grams we have in this as well. So this is around 25, then this is around 28. So around 25 to 30 grams we are having.
Okay.
So we do have these chokers. You can take pictures as well. Yeah.
We have some nice pendants
Pendants.
which are very beautiful. Can you just show around? And what is the weight of this pendant?
This pendant
It
around
looks very
35
big,
grams.
grand. 30?
35.
No. Any guess the weight of the pendant? It is 3 inches in
No, more than 3.
3.5 inches andi, or 4 inches you can say. Top to bottom, the length is 4 inches. So what could be the weight of this pendant? Let us have a Kaun Banega Karodpati. Tol mol ke bol. Any guesses on the weight of this 4 inches pendant? It's very beautiful. I am sure we are going to get 17 grams.
25 grams.
Okay. Shanti says 17. Jyoti says 25.
20.
And
15.
Ponoguti says 20, Sudha says 15, Madhu says 12. అంతవరకు స్లిమ్ వద్దండి, బాగా స్లిమ్ అయిపోయినారు. లక్ష్మి గారు 20, లత 20. Okay.
So can we really reveal the weight of the pendant?
So the weight of the pendant, I'm sure all our customers know us so well now. It is somewhere around 19 grams అండి, net weight.
Very, very beautiful andi.
And it's grand.
And next ఇది కూడా very,
Thank
very
you
nice.
for participating and rolling
Only-
all the numbers.
Only 12 grams andi ఇది కూడా.
ఇది 12 గ్రామ్స్లో అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ భవ్య, థ్యాంక్ యూ అరుణ గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ
So here we have
for
13
participating.
grams. Then the Lakshmi pendant is coming to around 9 grams. And then this is our master.
దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ మై ఫేవరెట్స్ అండి. ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఏంటంటే వన్స్ ఏ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఈస్ డన్, we fall in love with that product. This is that kind of a make andi. This is something which I personally loved when it came from the production. And this pendant we used to make in 55 grams andi. Enta grand undandi, enta broad undi idi, right? And Kunj, what is the weight of this pendant?
This we have done it in around 37 grams.
37 andi. Trust me, this is a achievement.
And the width of the pendant, if you see,
You can see on the palm. మీకు ఐడియా వచ్చేస్తుంది చూస్తే దీని మీద. సో దిస్ ఈస్ రియలీ ఆసమ్. ఎస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆసమ్ అండి. అండ్ ద వెయిట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సూపర్ ఆసమ్. ఓకే. సో ఇట్స్ లైక్ కట్నం తోటి మంచి అమ్మాయి దొరికితే ఎంత సంతోషం ఉంటుంది అట్లా. ఓకే.
next we have this pendant. This is also very, very beautiful. Only 20 grams andi.
సో వెరీ క్లాసీ వన్ విత్ ద నక్షి మ్యాంగో. Very beautifully done.
Next the Lakshmi Devi pendant.
And then we have tikas. People have been asking a lot of tikas. That's a flip side one. Can you show the flip side? This one. This is
Flip
again
pendant.
a flip pendant.
Okay, we've got flip pendant as well. So very beautiful andi meer chuste.
So that's a flip pendant.
How
and
many grams is this? Around 20 grams?
should be?
20-25 grams.
This is around 16.85.
Lovely, lovely. సో నెక్స్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ సమ్ టీకాస్ హియర్ అండి. సో టీకాస్ స్టార్టింగ్ మీకు అయితే 3 grams నుంచి ఉంది అండి.
3 to 4 grams, 5 grams అండి ఆల్ ద టీకాస్, అల్ట్రా లైట్, సూపర్ అల్ట్రా లైట్. సో ఏంటంటే నథింగ్ కెన్ గెట్ లైటర్ దెన్ దిస్ ఇన్ లైఫ్. సో ఇట్స్ లైట్ అండ్ లైటెస్ట్. Okay, and they are not flimsy, huh?
And
Take
next
my word.
we have is nail pendants collection.
So we have some cute nail pendants, single, double.
పులిగోరు కావాలంటే మెసేజ్ చేయండి.
Yes. అందరింట్లో పులిలు ఉన్నాయి. So really awesome.
So do we ship apart from Hyderabad anywhere?
Thank you, Devika. Really awesome. Thank you so much. We do ship to most of the places in India, and we do ship overseas also. And now the
Bangles collection. So bangles Gouda we have started from around 28 grams a pair and with screw it is.
Mayur Haram Rajita Garu is telling.
So size problem Gouda undadu.
So all these bangles are super hit. Thank you, Charles. Thank you. Good collection. Thank you so much for your compliments. And again, very, very light. These are all like
28,
30 grams. And in Canada, you can ship.
And do we got some many single kadas?
Not yet, Vaishnavi. Canada, the duty is more. We can ship provided you are ready to pay the duty.
So any broad kadas do we have around?
Yes, we have done some broad ones also, which are fantastic. As you can see this is something very beautiful. It's a broad one, more like a bracelet kada, and again very light and very beautiful. You can see.
So around 20 grams we are doing this, Andy.
So all around it is there. So we have. Do you ship to Germany? We do ship anywhere, Suhasini. The only question is every country has a different duty structure. So we can ship to Germany also, but the duty structure is different. So probably 15% is the duty in most of the other countries except USA. So that's one key thing which you have to look into.
Now, so can we have some look at some jhumkas and chandbalis?
Yes, we do have some jhumkas and chandbalis.
So here starts our jhumka collection, Andy. So jhumkas also we have starting from around 10 grams అండి. 9 to 10 grams is the starting range.
And frankly మీరు చూస్తే ఎంత ముద్దుగుందంటే చూడండి మీరు ఎంత
9 to 10 grams లోనే the look is very 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 cute అండి.
So all these are super.
So all these are the jhumkas, the lightweight jhumka collection around 9 to 10 grams. And let me show you the lightweight chandbalis till we go to the heavy jhumkas. So these are the lightweight chandbalis, Andy. Very very light. Starting from around 8 grams we have chandbalis, Andy.
సో ఇవి కూడా అన్ని 10 grams వరకు బాగా సూపర్ హిట్ అండి. సో ఈసారి కలెక్షన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. డూ యూ హ్యావ్ స్టడ్స్ మీడియం సైజ్? Shals, we do have studs, but we are not showing it today online.
So anyone who's looking for chandbalis can book an appointment for the video call and the jhumkas as well.
Our request is please come down to the store, because many times showing so much it becomes a little tougher job, but if you come we will be the happiest.
And here is the 3-step buttas that we have. Very very lovely. Around, is it around 30 grams the buttas?
No, these are like around 20, I think.
20?
Yes.
No, these are around 17 grams, and 16 to 17
16
grams.
to 17 grams, the very grand buttas.
So
all are super duper.
very very grand. Around 15 grams we have some buttas, very beautiful. And then we have these buttas and chandbalis. So we have ample of stocks, Andy.
సో మీరు చూడొచ్చండి, ఇది కూడా వెరీ క్యూట్. దిస్ ఈస్ డన్ ఇన్ కాస్టింగ్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ 2 different కాన్సెప్ట్స్ వీ డూ. దిస్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ డిఫరెంట్. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ లైక్ వెరీ వెరీ డిఫరెంట్ ఇన్ ది కలెక్షన్ వీ హ్యావ్. సో వెంటనే పికప్ యువర్ ఫోన్స్ and start sending us the messages.
Some plain gold
start
jhumkas.
booking your orders, start sending us the payments, and we will start sending you the jewelry. Everything is 100% guaranteed, so don't need to think about it. We are here since 1956, and we assure you of best service, best quality, and best pricing. And anything you feel you need from us, you can always tell us. This is the triple jhumka, so you can see that. And we have a lot which is the super ultra light also. So I'll just run you through the whole stock once. I'll just run you through the whole thing again for people who have joined late. Usha ji, welcome. Let me acknowledge people who are coming also. Shruti, welcome. Yeah, Rakshita, Anusha. So we have so many people joining in, and that makes us feel happy and bring more and more. Aishwarya, welcome. Shwani, welcome. So all these, like, I'm just showing you around. Ambika, welcome. So all these are like super duper handy, very very lightweight. Yeah, Rashmi, nice to see you. Do you have lightweight Dasavtaram set? Dasavtaram, we have the short one in 50 grams, Bhavani. So all these, hi Pooja. So you can see that, and then lot of stocks, Andy. You please visit the store. Endukante seeing is believing. Come try the stocks. Is Kunj feeling okay? Yes, Hindu, he is back to form. Thank you for asking. He is perfectly fine now and back to work fully. He is the energy behind so many things. Sunita ji, Srilekha, welcome. So you can see a lot of stocks are there this time. So you please come down to the stock for the shop immediately and don't tell us that we are sold out. So again, very cute. So you can see all those, and then we will be coming with our beads collection tomorrow, ultralight. So that's again ready for all of you. So back to back. You can see all that. You can see all that. So thank you so much, Andy, for being in the live there. In all of you are coming with so many large numbers, and that makes us feel so happy and bring you more and more designs with the best qualities and service. So see you soon with a lot of inquiries, lot of shopping, and a lot of visits to the store. That is very important because that is where we build the relations and you understand us that we are not just jewelers. One of our very close customer is my elder brother. I had been to his house yesterday. So he said, there comes our jewelry consultant. I was feeling so happy when that word was used, jewelry consultant. So I felt great that yes, we are here to give you the consultancy for jewelry, guide you to the best of your thought process and make you look beautiful, thereby adding a lot of asset also to your house. So with me is my son Kunj, the young dynamic boy who is behind a lot of designing and all, and he's doing his diamond diploma and his color stone diploma. So you are with the next generation, which is again coming up with a lot more jewelry. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.